Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, and as the title suggests, this is Danxercise. It's actually dance while exercising. I love dancing, so I thought, why not give a peekaboo of what I do when I dance. Actually, I love African music, so it's mostly Afro-pop, but I dance too, and in the process, sweat it out. I don't know if you heard about this lady on TikTok, this one over here. She does this tummy exercise that is quite interesting. It's about the tummy exercise where you press it and leave, press and leave, up, down, up, down, up, down. It engages the core, by the way. It engages the core. Whether it works out for people or not, I'm not sure, because I was just trying it for the sake of trying it. Why not? Here's a sneak peek of what I do when dancing. Of mine, you can see in my previous video, it was so noisy. So this clip was actually taken last year when I was replacing the fridge. What really drove me to replace that fridge was, one, it was noisy. Even the days when I used to stay in the house, as in the days I just wanted to relax, you just hear zoom. I mean, you can't actually just relax without that buzzing sound, and it got me annoyed. Then secondly, some things weren't freezing as much as I wanted to, and they used to get spoiled. So I was like, hey, we cannot work like this. Fridge, you have to go. Those are the two main reasons. And then again, when somebody would call me, or you want to just chill out at home by yourself, and then you're like, I'm not at home, and then that fridge just starts buzz, and they're like, isn't that your fridge? That's when you start questioning your life choices. Anywho, so I decided to change it to something else, and here's the video about it. As always, I start with tea. I love tea, so you can take the tea with me. Pretty small, quite tiny, not that big. And this is the new fridge. This is the freezer. It's got nothing inside. It comes with some ice trays. It is spacious for me. Now when I close this and open the other side, the lower part, so here we can put some cheese and milk. At this point as well, I can put some cheese and milk and some bottles as well. Temperature just over there. It has 2 layers of glass so I can put stuff. At the bottom where we put the vegetables, you can control humidity. This was around 216 liters if I'm not wrong. I got it from Hot Points. So most of my stuff, electronic home appliances, I get actually from Hot Point at Sarit Center. Usually when you get a new appliance, it's actually good to go over the manual, but some of us feel like we already know how to use these gadgets, so we rarely do that, but it's actually advisable, yeah, because you never know what you get. Let's see what's in this package. I think this is a spare part of some sort. I don't know where. Or it's meant to fasten this, perhaps. Yeah, so yeah. I think this is just how to use the fridge and what have you. I have my egg tray in here. I didn't know it came with it. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out together. So this I actually googled. What would we do without Google? I think Google just came at the right generational point. Yeah. So it's actually a coolant. It's used to cool the fridge when there's no power, at least to keep it frozen longer when there's no power, there's no electricity. So that's basically what it's used for. Now you know. Less important right now. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. It looks really nice, right? And it's amazing. I like the way the back is so, the detail on the back is so nice. It's like it has some sort of pattern to it. Yeah, the crisper box. And I guess now it's time to bring in my groceries. So I've finished moving my items, and this is normally what I have in the fridge. So bye guys, until next time. Thank you for watching my video. It was nice taking you through my fridge. See ya.